You guys read the thumbnail and the title correctly. We're about to be breaking down the Air Jordan 1 Low OG black toes, and we're gonna be throwing these things on feet. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. Let's get right to it. I appreciate everybody for tapping in to today's video. I'm trying to give you guys this one, a little bit before the drop, what I'm saying? Give you guys a whole night to think over it. So I know it's gonna be some L's. Like, I'm just gonna be 100% honest. I think this is gonna be a super hot commodity. The Air Jordan 1 Low black toes, just based off all of the hits, the quality, checking out Twitter, kind of seeing, gauging the market. Everything is looking very, very good for these black toes. I know it's gonna be some people taking some L's. And it sucks, I take L's too. I gotta pay resale as well, but just put in all y'all footwork now. Go and enter in all y'all reservations, and like I always tell y'all, go to the store, go to these sneaker stores the day of the drop, because sometimes they might be having pairs that they sell. That's how I came out with a couple of pairs here in my local area. So what I'm saying, go ahead, go up there, see if they got an extra pair too that you can scoop for your size, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. You guys already know, man, more views, no fees, more early looks, exclusive access videos, restock, shop drops. We talk about it all here, man. So like I said, sub up and hit the notification bell. Follow it up with a huge like ASAP Rocky. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I put this video in the algorithm because most people don't want to see these things on feet, man. And I know you guys see the tee right here, man. This is from OutRank brand. I've been putting you guys on the last month about OutRank. Go ahead and tap into them. Use my code DaVintage, save 10% on your entire order. You guys see you got that black and red, that braided tee right here. And they also sent over another tee right here. It says OutRank Motorsports riding since 2010 right there on the front. And the thing that sold me the most on this tee is the back, man. Look at the graphic work. I already know the fit's gonna look very, very clean. And check out the black toes, bro. Like, this is a perfect combination. This will be dropping tomorrow, the date of the drop. So go ahead and tap in. This stuff sells out really fast. So if you do, y'all are interested, go use my code DaVintage. I'm gonna link them down below. And if you're more of a snapback type of guy, they also have some snapbacks as well. That goes perfectly with, the black toe lows right here. I really like this one. And of course, we're still in that summertime, so you gotta be fresh with the shorts as well. All right, so taking a quick look at the box, man, you got a regular Air Jordan 1 box right here. They didn't switch it up too crazy. Got these things in size 9. The fish colorway reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG white, black, varsity red. And like I said, size 9 is always my way to go for lows. Sometimes you can go down a half a size. I do not recommend going up half a size in lows, because things will be looking like banana boats on your feet, man. And the inside is some regular tissue paper, of course. You got some extra black laces in these. They come equipped with the red in there already. So real quick, man, let me know down below in the comment section which one you're rocking out with more. You're rocking out with the red laces or the black laces for these black toe lows. Me, I think it's no brainer right now. It's the black. But I really think some white laces would look really, really clean in these black toe Air Jordan 1 lows. I just don't have any, like laces short enough to fit in these joints. I was trying, but I'm gonna, do a little bit more digging. I'm pretty sure I can find a pair of crispy white laces or some off-white cell laces to go perfect. Kind of give it that aged look. You guys know we have been getting rumors of a reimagined, black toe high next year. And go ahead and do it for the low top version. Give it an aged look with those sail off-white laces. Man, first things first, for these black toes, I wanted to point out the leather quality. Leather quality is so good. Like, you never get, lows like this very often. But they went crazy with this OG low, black toe, giving us some tumble leather all the way around the sneaker. And where you get that predominant tungsten leather is definitely gonna be on the side panels of your Air Jordan 1 lows when you do get them in hand, man. I did point out during the early unboxing that, this isn't like the original high black toes. They gave us a black tongue for these, lows instead of the white tongue that you do see on the high top version of black toes. But everything else is pretty much the same, what I'm saying? They gave it kind of more of a OG look. I don't know why they switched the tongue, but it would also been dope for them to throw some white lace in there too. But beggars can't be choosers. And then even leading around the entire toe box of these black toes, bruh, this quality that they throw in these is really, really nice, bruh. I appreciate, you know, the enjoyment for going crazy with the leather quality, bro. Something else I was also happy to see, you know what I'm saying, we haven't gotten the OG low in a little minute, but they did give us this, like I said, in that OG form for the lows. We got the Black Wings logo on the top of the heel right there, man. Really digging that. And then for the insoles on these black toe lows, man, you have your regular white insole with your Nike Air down below. Of course, you got your sticker size tag down there as well. So yeah, man, you guys let me know if you will be going after these tomorrow. I know it's probably a no-brainer for most people. Some people's putting these over the UNC toes. Some people's putting these over the Palominos when we drop that video. So let me know how you feeling about these. Are you grabbing them? Are you gonna pay that resale bread if you have to? And matter of fact, let's go ahead and check the resale value real quick, because I haven't even looked at it yet. I got these pretty early. I'm sure it won't be too crazy just because it is an Air Jordan 1 low, but you just never know. Like I said, this is an OG low. You know, if you look back at the UNC, you know, Air Jordan 1 lows, or the Chicago's, or the bread lows, they are going for a pretty penny. So let's go ahead and check them real quick. And yeah, it's not even that bad. So right now, I think the highest, you know, sale is for like those huge crazy sizes, like 13, 16, and size 18 going for like $316, but for my size 9, they're going for like $160. You feel me? Only going for like $160. So you're not paying too much money on these joints right here. So we all in good standing, you feel me? As long as it ain't like $1,000. See if that focuses real quick. So if you guys can peep it, man, the resales are going for that much bread. Put a little screenshot over here as well so you guys check it out. So, you know, so if you do take an L, you might have to hit up StockX. It's going for over $150. Make sure you guys use my code TheVintage15 and you can save money on StockX. I don't know if you guys know that. If you shop on StockX and the lowest ask, or the lowest ask is $150 or higher, you guys use my code TheVintage15 to save some money on your purchase from StockX. So you guys know I always try to put you guys onto all my double ups. You know, the UNC toes was double up, the Reimagined 3s was double up, and there's a couple more that I picked up that I can't remember off the top of my head that was double ups, but these right here as well will be a double up for your boy, because I know I'm gonna get a lot of wears, a lot of fits out of these, and the fit's gonna be too crazy, you know what I'm saying, especially with the OutRank brand right here that you guys see. And of course, rocking the shorts that go perfect, bro. Go perfect, man. Stop sleeping on OutRank brand, man. Use my code TheVintage, save you some money on your purchase. Hey, your boy gonna looking fresh in this OutRank gear for the rest of the summer, especially with these crispy shorts. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into another video. Hope y'all enjoyed the on feed, the visuals, all that good stuff. And if you did and you haven't subscribed already, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell so you miss out any content like this. Leave a huge like on today's content. We greatly appreciate it, man. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.